Recently, Bexar County District Attorney Joe Gonzales announced his initiatives to curb gun violence in the county. One of those initiatives was to have his attorneys file motions in court to have guns destroyed, something that isn't actually new. Erica Hernandez with how this works inside a courtroom and why it's not always easy for a judge to rule in favor of a gun being destroyed.
It is unfortunate.
Just days after District Attorney Joe Gonzales announced his initiatives to curb gun violence in Bexar County, assistant district attorneys were heard in courtrooms filing motions to have guns used in crimes destroyed.
I do have a motion I'd like the court to consider. I've showed opposing counsel. I'm now tendering it to the court. It's a motion to destroy the weapon for the weapon that was seized.
In this specific aggravated robbery case, the judge granted the motion.
Any objection to the destruction of the weapon?
Not from us, Your Honor.
The court will grant the state's motion to destroy the weapon.
But not every case is this easy to rule on.
If there's an issue where the parties do not agree, then that particular judge will just look at the case and decide what is fair.
While District Attorney Joe Gonzales is pushing for all guns to be destroyed, Judge Hill further explains why judges can't necessarily always rule in favor of these motions.
It's very hard to issue these blanket policies that apply across the board. Not that anybody agrees or does not agree with them, but every case assigned to a court requires that a judge looks at that case individually. Judges ethically are not allowed to prejudge cases.
And as far as these motions go, it isn't something new.
The district attorney's office has always had the ability to file whatever motions they want.
What happens after guns are motioned to be destroyed? Well, according to Judge Hill, that usually is handed over to the sheriff's office. As far as how many guns have been destroyed since Joe Gonzales took office in 2018, we were told the district attorney's office does not keep track of that number, so we've reached out to the sheriff's office to try to find that out. Erica Hernandez, KSAT 12 News.